tetagisa owanelave yokupangisa tomanyina kayimba
ayya eddoboozi eryo
kugoba kushow yange
eddoboozi ngeri Emerson okola otya just imagine okitegeera. Ladies and gentlemen, on set I have the beautiful, the gorgeous, the bootylicious, slim, sleek, cute, nice looking young lady. Oh, Emma one vampe namba nolowooza oba yafunye tena. Ebityo ebiba. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the pretty Banks.
Hi, darling.
Hi. Jango kole nyuse. Kigambe ki? Chimu kyokka. Are you okay?
I'm doing great.
You're looking so gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Thank
looking
you.
So nice.
You look great as well. You don't look bad.
Emma. Tolowooza nze nyuse kyendaba. Okitegedde? Naye kale just because of the show. Katumalirize naye nga ze nanyuse dda. Pretty Banks. Nice having you on the show.
Nice being here. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you. Tukozesa Kiruganda Luzungu?
Chona.
Hey, kirungi. Kale no segment tugenda kwesa Luzungu. Gwe nanga tunabamaliza senior 4 senior 6 soko deri ebali genda webake.
Ate bafanzi bange ngo basosodde.
Anti baddeyo basome wajitaja
sawa zino abaana batudde waka
basome elders biki Pretty Banks
manzi mukwana
endonge tambule ntya
simbi nebaza Katonda.
Amina. Thank you for looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Can you send greetings to that man who makes you look that beautiful?
Yeah, God, thank you so much. God, thank you.
Yeah, God is not a man. Is God a man?
He's my man. God is my man.
Mujja kuddawa ate mutandike simanyi nafumbirwa Yesu. First say hi to our viewers out there.
Banange, everybody watching. Hello, how are you? My name is Pretty Banks. I'm so happy to be here. Sanyuse nnyo kubeera wano era tugenda kuwayamu ya. Yeah.
1 2 1 2. Among all names, why Pretty Banks?
Pretty byali bya Facebook way back nga Facebook obo kusimo obo
Facebook zero yakajja. That is around 2007.
I'm talking about 2014.
2014, that is around P6 P7.
No, still no. Ndi chito kale yawawo kale somewhere there. Then Banks nendiba. Banks naliba kusasha Banks, she's a wrestler. Nali mwagala. Yeah.
Kogwe Pretty Banks. Now the first one looks good on you, Pretty.
Thank you.
Akana kalungi ge mazima. Kati gwali ayo mudiro lyo simanchi kyoliko kubanga nze ali ku set. Oredde navuddeko dda ebyaddala akana keeko.
Sabobeeleko.
Sisobola. Can they bring to you an angel and you still remain functioning?
About Gagwena Siri wala. Timoli tofukiri titili kala. Kalamata. Wazekwe weza mumiloga no mata. Ate kato fatachi.
Ate nino kufata.
Nanjagadde okumanya ntabalala wata. Tebaliwo ndizeka. Ndi single. And taken by Banks. I am not searching, taken by God. Hello.
Katatawo kine kintu bokyononyemu. But anyways. Pretty Banks yani tutandikirawo.
Banange ntandikire watu. Bawombuza Pretty Banks yani Pretty Banks bintu bingi nnyo.
Pretty Banks nganyi omuntu avaawa bamuyitani erinnya lye ery'okukyalo yajja atya Kampala.
Okay.
Kubanga she looks like the Kardashians.
Okay.
Aizo kubanga sister wa Kardashians.
Nizo sula waneno nensaba omulimu.
Between space.
Anyways, Pretty Banks amanya matuufu bampita tusingwire Fiona. Era nga banzaala isindiro. Era nga ndi muyimbi songwriter, actress. Era emyaka nga nina 18
weewadde nyingi. Twelove. Omwana yakava ku ssomero yakamaliza senior 6 is it 2023?
Biryao.
Toli sure.
Siri sure. Manyi okwebaka gye neerabira ebintu ebyo. Naye briefly my name's nga bagambye I come from Isindiro.
That is where you grew up from, or you?
No, Banzala Isindiro. I started from primary najisomera Ntungamo, then secondary najisomera Entebbe.
Chogendo tukolera. Soko babuzeyo ko mu Lunyankole. Soko babuzeyo.
Onobiwulira?
Ish. Ngenda bitranslatinga.
Kale. Abakunde bamwe na abantu bona bakololo limi n'abalamutya amazina banyita tusimbire Fiona ndyaha neimwe nimbakunda munonga mwe bale kunkunda mwe bale kumpazira
integrity abali eyo mwenna mwe bale tuwagira sicho DJ Ezra
obuzo oyo
checho
naye tamanyi.
So how has been your journey to Kampala?
My journey, I left after primary 7. I came to Entebbe. I was studying from a barracks, staying in a barracks. That is 2013.
Yeah, the characters in Ziraba. Omwana yakulira mu barracks era omulabirawo. Baba sharp abo. Nange ndi omu ku bo. Baba sharp.
Ng'oli buli kimu kyendi kiki.
Simanyi gwasalawo.
Kiki.
Nze wendi.
Mbuti.
Kyekimu. Batuvaawo ffenna management edde waka.
Njakuddayo.
Ffe tulabe ekyokola. So how is music so far?
Music is great. I'm so thankful to God and my fans and Ugandans for accepting me and welcoming me with open arms. So I'm grateful. Music is. If someone
is to ask you, among your fans, which fans you have the most? The ones in Kampala or abali eri waka? Which are these fans who support you the most?
Because even when I go that side, it's always the same vibes. Even when I'm performing around, it's always like good vibes. So it cuts across.
So should we say Inside was your first song?
No, definitely not. You played another song here called Bakunsi Memo.
But the Inside is...
Inside is a breakthrough song for me. It's my breakthrough for you guys to know me.
But you know that this year you must take the Breakthrough Artist Award?
I mean...
Because this song has been all over. How did you come out with this?
So we reached out to Dr. Brain. He's the one that wrote it.
Okay.
And the producer is Nesim. But before we went to Nesim, we recorded the song at DeMario's studio. DeMario. I came up with the idea of how I want it to sound.
Okay.
Yes.
So you had something in your mind flowing the same.
Yeah. And then Dr. Brain brought it to life. Natijayo bulungi nga bwe nali ntagala. We recorded it right there, like the demo, then netukubira nesimu natwa appointment here studio. We went there and mashed it up and you guys liked it.
Okay. So this song, was it omanya abayimbi babeera mu studio ne bagamba cut repeat. So being that you're the co-creator, the first person to have the idea, wachikuba mulundi gumu oba you had breaks ogamba nange mbikoyi tunaddamu enkya
na recording because Dr. Brain is a genius, so yaluwandikirawo like 15 minutes navaawo nendu voicing. After voicing it nendu voicing arona, so it didn't take me
okimanyi ndina wano message wali yambuziza ti Inside ono Micho Gadgets yambuziza Inside kitegeeza ki?
Wulira biri bigambo bibiri. Nyumirwa kukuwa kyosabye inside. Inside comes from inside.
Genda maaso.
Nyumirwa kuwa kyosabye okay, katugambe inside. But inside was just like some swag, putting some swag on it. But like inside. Todeti kunyumira, nyumirwa kukola ki? Nyumirwa kukuwa kyosabye inside. Nechikuwanga nze bwendabye.
inside
bw'olina osaba nze ne nkikuwanga I deliver the way I feel like
ekifaananyi nkiraba
kifuna
kifuna bulungi. I like giving you what you like inside. Ulira oluzungu si kyekyo Ezra
bwekiri
oyo ng'akaanya naawe nnyo bannange
kati waliwo negundi eyokubiri nenkukyusiza omubiri
ate omanyi bwe banga ssaawa ya kikiri bw'oba olina kabuusabuusa bebi bili sikutali n'omukwano n'omudidi empano kamasaaji bulumisa botaji gakomako nze toba haji afilyo buli tachi anyway you touch binyuma nga kubala kashi.
Kati omanye ekigambo kyenkutaawo kisinga okunyumira
omudidi.
I feel your body touch. Esaawa 5 zigenda ku 6 ez'ekiro.
Anyway you touch.
Mwana nakugira na I feel your body touch. So should you say this is your best song, or you've not yet released the best?
It's one of the good songs that I have. You haven't had the best yet.
What about Meant to Be? Meant to Be is a nice song.
Thank you.
Apart from Inside or Meant to Be. Omwana yansindikira ka voice note nanyimbira akakayimba.
Wanzi mama.
Paka kati nkyali mu shock.
Soko ombulire bakuyimbira akapati kyakatuufu.
Sanye we are meant to be. Naye nze nga nze sinaba kitegeera oba we are meant to be oba.
Kati omwana abeerawo n'akusindikira ebintu bye. Oli wano ku mpewo olaga mbu nze ngenda kukwata nkutwaleyo.
Anti kiri bwe kiti. Decision eva kunze. Okitegedde? Ne office
yagenda kugamba you are meant to be nga tanabakiranga.
Ne office ye na applications ziba nyingi. Naye management yesala negamba omanyi ono tumuwa omulimu.
Kyagamba mbuno.
Se kyekimu. Kati kambuuze. Nebibuuzo wano babuuziza. Banks ali single, taken, confused, or ali awo.
Banks is still very young. Kakyali kato omusooke mukaleke kasome. Yeah. When emyaka weginaawera ngenda kujja ngambe nti noonya. But now I'm still young. Ebintu ebyo by'abasajja by'abantu abakulu sinababyetalira.
Kati bro code kitegeera kyo kitegeeza ali single.
Sinaba kutandika. Quote my words right. Nkyali kaana kato mukaleke kasome musooke mumpemu emyaka egyo. Etaano
aweze 18.
Nze manyi gye naaweza nze nkimanyi kakyali kato.
So okimanyi tulina ebibuuzo bingi. Yesterday 2 days back I posted your photo, your artwork, and people were sending me for questions, and even here we are going to get some calls wakubuuza ebibuuzo kubanga waliwo yagambye Pretty Banks ali ku management ki?
Management yange bagiyita Mukaya Events. They're the people that I'm working with. I'm signed under them. So yeah. Mukaya Events. Yes.
So if there's anyone there who wants to give you business, akube ku namba ki?
Banange enamba bagende ku social media zange ku TikTok, si Instagram, wona enamba wezile za bookings kuba sijimanyi mutwe right now.
Ekyo kikulu.
Yeah.
And another thing, we are meant to be. Who wrote this song?
Still Dr. Brain and a guy called Sean Wizzy. They're good writers. So yeah, produced by.
So you come up with the idea and you tell them, or you just tell them, I need another song. Please.
They sent the song, the demo. Nga Sean Wizzy yaluwandiise. I listened to it. Nemanya nti nina kyenjagala mekirala bakyusemu a little bit. Nempita Dr. Brain because he's my brother. Na kinkyusiza exactly the way I wanted it.
Your brother?
He delivered. Yep.
Nindako. Emasoni oji. Ogenda tuwa ku masimu awo. Wabuze ku Pretty Banks katika nkome wali. Your brother?
Yeah, he's a brother.
How?
He's my brother.
Mundongo oba just?
Mundongo mu buli kimu is my brother.
Naye bagamba bano ba producer ne ba songwriters tibateganye kibatu. Bali bakutezeeko ekibatu.
Sinakiraba.
Yogamba
oba bantegeyo ko sinakiraba.
Yogamba Dr. Brain tagamba konsi simanyi pretty being that the name pretty you can be pretty.
Yo tasobola.
Hello.
Tasobola.
Hello.
Tawa.
Wanji.
Ono kasi mu maleera sebo.
Aha. Uno wano.
Hello.
Muyimbi mulungi nnyo.
Webale sebo.
Kale nyabo naye gye bali.
Kale mukwano.
Oli muyimbi mulungi nnyo.
Neyanza nnyo sebo.
Kati era abawagizi bunaffe gye tuli e Kampala.
Yes sebo.
Tebali eri tukuwagira omuziki okuba gw'amaanyi ate ennyimba zo zirimu ebinnonogo by'Abaganda.
Yes sebo.
Ndokugamba inside na.
Yimba mwao.
Yawo nyimbi awo bankomye dijezira akimanyi siri muyimbi.
Kale se.
Wanzi sebo.
Pretty tukusaba yongeramu amaanyi.
Yamani namwe mwongera okumpagira.
Tugenda kuwagira ate ayita oyo amasanyalaze wakuleeta kugaba amasanyalaze.
Yamani.
Okisegeera.
Era Pretty Banks abamu ku bawagizi babeene empereevu kale tusaba tunywemu nawe kacaayi kkiriza oyo DJ waffe oyo DJ Ezra namba zaffe gene management yo tunywemu nawe kacaayi tukulabe obuwagizi totuyimbira abula kunywamu nawe kacaayi
agala kunywako nawe kacaayi
kati omanyi oba okola mukwano gwegenda bugenzi bwali ku TikTok yange oba yonna oba TikTok oba Instagram gwofunewo enamba emu okube ekyagala kigenda tuukirira mukwano.
Batwagala tukwanirize tukulage nti neno obuwagizi bw'amaanyi nnyo.
Yamani.
Oba kweyo ka concert.
Ka concert tampa kichu kya manji lwanidde ate mukaya naye akyagala kukujjamu ate muyingirire.
Kale tweyanziza mukulu. Try esimu Pretty Banks bamubuzeeko ku bibuuzo. Yes, tulabe. Bagamba mu ndongo waliwo enkokola. How have you managed to get through this about the challenges in music?
Sinaziraba ntaina katonda gwensinza era tasaa kunzikiriza kuyita mu bintu ebimu. Ndimukiriza nnyo ate nina tiimu ennungi. Nzikiririzaamu empushinga. So nabo bamanyi omuyimbi biki byalina kukola na biki byatalina kukola wawa alina okulagana wawa atalina kulaga. So yo nga management ekola gwayo. That's why ebintu ebimu nyinza obutabimanya na bimanyako. Yeah, so I really thank them. They are doing a great job.
Hello. Kale nawe jebaleko yongera ku ddoboozi mukwano.
Jebaleko asebo.
Kale nawe jebaleko bakuyita ani era osinziddewa? Ati osirise busirisi. Va ku TV yo tukuli kunji.
Ndewa na mugongo.
Mori no gambo otya. Morin yawuliriza.
Morin abadde ayagala kuwuliriza ddoboozi.
Mwebale tuweereza.
Kale naye sooka ovire TV yo tukuwulire bulungi.
Mbadde njala buuza yo Pretty Banks.
Ye mukwano. Hello. Kuwulira mukwano.
Laki.
Wanji.
Genda maaso.
Takweshongolo mu Nyankole.
Bwenji ntakweshongolo mu Nyankole nyimbuineyo obweshongolo ninza kubaheereza mutaka afayo obweshongolo bwo Nyankole mbuine.
Mama nange kyembadde ngenda okubuuza. Do you have some songs in Nyankole?
Yeah, I have them. I'm yet to release them. I have some collaborations. So just bo basigale nga bampagira.
Kati mu bayimbi be Uganda, I've seen you moving with Joylanda and the group some time back. Among the Ugandan artists, female, mwimbi kiwogamba nti ono ye singa mpa kolabo kiba kiwedde.
Tekiri kukugwa kiri kubaani benjagala. You get abakyala benjagala abali talented bangi nnyo.
Bayo nga basatu.
You've limited me. kankuwe abanayanguwa mangu mangu.
Akali.
Shiba, Winnie Nwaji, Lydia Jasmine, Nava Gray, Irene Tale. I shouldn't forget how many others.
Nachimanyi bonabo yogedde they are in your caliber. Oshagedde. Ata bali bakitegedde. Gutujja bitegeera bino.
Yabayimbi bangi benjagala bannange. There is Rema sings so well. Batala bangi bendi fani waabwe. Ne bwe mbasikoze nabo mbagala.
What about male?
Male, Bebe Cool, A-Pass, King Saha, David Lutalo, Fefe Busi, Fik Fameka, Linda Ko, Bandi Webzibu, Bandi, there are many, there are really many. Why are you laughing?
I know, because you've just given me a line-up erikwena kuzino. Ate kubali, abasookawo.
I love Onogai. Abasinga wayai.
Muhitani. Jamal.
Yes, Jamal. I love
Yeah.
I love Maddox already and Weasel.
Chimala. Kubanga kumpi bayimbi be Uganda bono baagala. Banji na those are the main characters. So can you first premiere this song, because my fans really wanted you to premiere this song here.
Yeah.
We are meant to be, then we come back to see Bule.
Sure, kayimba wakaita meant to be.
Where did you get this story? So completely. Yeah, big up to her. I passed through there. Send greetings to everyone who has supported her throughout this time. Thank you so much. Ate muongere omugulake ebintu. She has the best stock right now in town. And King Fizzo looks, yankozeko kumviri olawa dread zinyirira. Yes, chechimu. Thank you so much, King Fizzo. Yeah. Pretty Banks.
Wanzi mkwano.
Wala kwera nenyimbe nungi.
Thank you. Namwe mwebalo zaagala.
Personally, I'm your fan, by the way. That's why I've been
you.
always I'm your number from the time of that Inside the Song.
Yeah.
But the Inside the Song, and the Gambia story na
Sako nguya yangu.
Ochimanyi waliwo omwana yategeera kakayimba n'okusinga gwe yaluyimba.
Really?
Allah. Omwana yategeera kintu eki. Inside. Negamba lwaki nedda. Lwaki Pretty Banks muleeta wa?
Gwe yafunamu. Nayimba n'ofunamu.
Nafunamu era nawe wafunamu.
Ate kati nze.
Wafunamu.
Ate nze nafunamu.
Wanyi bookings
bookings gwe
wali. Bookings weziri wafuna ne tata w'abaana okitegeera. Oba mwogere.
Ogenda swalira bwerere. Jako ne glasses ng'ogenda kwota.
Mukuru.
So girl, you don't.
I know, but Rusi.
You don't. There is no one. You're lying.
Osirika muno gambo manyi.
Oli mukanga tisa mbolo ngambe mbu.
Enzo tuke wakane wagamba soko deo wagundi. Then okomewo. So in 2-3 years to come, where do you see yourself as you are winding up?
I'm just trusting God's process, because I didn't see myself being here in this short period of time. So ndimukwesiga Katonda and praying that, He makes me greater each and every day. I'm just trusting His process at the moment, because tomanya nyuzo fulumao kaboda ne kankuba manyo ne gavaamu. Bote wesiga Katonda nanti yeah. So kati wesiga Katonda ebano bimulekera no musabo obulamu wanti.
Gwenga gwe, what keeps you moving? What keeps you motivated?
God still. I know I've talked about God so like
which is okay.
It's God. I am prayerful. Ngezako okumakinga sure anti like I talk to him whenever tibatiganye ainengeri zakiterezamu. So, and besides God, it's a dream that I have where I want to be, how I want things, like how I want to change my life and my people's life. So those things keep me, pushing and all that.
Any message for upcoming artists who is there nganonya hating anonya kayimba kamuisao?
Chensobola okugamba topapa time yo edda. naye ate mu butapapa obwo tobeera desperate because the industry is not bed of roses, of course. Take your time, do a good work. Lumu music wagenda, people will understand your music, like people bagenda mwaniriza. Just to giving up atete we bakambo gamba I'm waiting for God's miracles. No. Yani katonda yatugamba he will bless the work of our hands. So just tobeera desperate, saba kola wako omulungi and put it out there tomuteleka. Because womuteleka teri agenda mulaba. So make sure you're releasing your music. Mpola mpola katonda agenda kusambira akati.
Okay.
Yeah.
So last words for your fans and the people who love you so much. Not forgetting sending greetings to that one person.
Yeah.
Who loves you so much.
That's my mother and my dad. My fans obuzibu ne mwana wotuka mu ebintu bye yenge jontunuliramu olinga mulabe wange kyokka ntuse wano ate ng'ompaala anaki. To all my fans, oh my God.
They say beauty stands on the beholder or the beer holder. So I'm not holding a beer, which means it is on the beholder.
What?
Genda maso.
My dear fans, thank you so much. Neanza nyo. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for pushing my music. Thank you for requesting. Thank you for disturbing these people with my songs. Keep pushing. Ugandans, thank you for welcoming me. Elangenda bawanga good music. Nze mustowe yange simanyo bawaliyo oluyimbo olubi. I don't promise you to give you enyimbe ezo ze muyitembi. Boze bayitembera. So I really thank them. Ela nebazane katonda. Orech sache. My fans should just keep supporting me and loving me. When sobya wano ne wali temukuba nnyo kutta. Kitegeera? Hey.
Wakubenga bakuleka mwe.
Mukubenga mundekamu. Nembagala nnyo. Good music is coming. Music omupya. Ela before this year ends, I'm going to release something fresh for you guys. Yeah, so.
Send greetings to two people.
My management, thank you for pushing me. Thank you for believing in me. Abayimbi baba banji. I think abayina great talents. Naye, thank you for choosing me among the many. I appreciate you. You're doing a great job. My parents, I love you. My fans, hi, I love you.
And to him, we love you.
Yeah, we love you.
Yeah, we love you. Naita talishua. Ladies and gentlemen, that has been Pretty Banks for Ocha. Wena bigambo ebisembayo.
Gwe. Oyagala sala kigambo.
Yala sala kigambo. Naye anti bambuziza wano. Ne bagamba. Omuwala omulungi nga ggwe. Lwaki kyagala kwogera ku linnya lya bbaawo. Uno Witini Pro okuva Kasese.
Anti laba ndi mukuddamu. Nakugambye bulungi ebintu ebyo sinabitandika ebyababba bange. Wena bitandika ngenda kujamba gambe ne sinabitandika.
Mama, nina mumulekerawo. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. We are coming back with the countdown. And on the number 10, yes, will be Pretty Banks.
Why not number 1?
Of course, inside the number 10, meant to be number 1.
Thank you.
Then
you
the
guys,
other one.
If he doesn't do that. Hey. Mukuba masimu.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We are coming back with our top 10 countdown, the best songs on the land. We are coming back.